Layla, and today we will start a new sound. But before that, let's revise the previous sounds together. What's this? S. And this? This sound is t, t, t. And this? Do you remember? This. P, p. This sound is k, 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 k. This sound is This sound is e, e. The last sound is Now let's look together at this picture. Can you see? Can you see this picture? Look here. We have a window. Okay, the weather outside is rainy. And what do we have here? What do we have here? Rose. Look here. We have rocking horse. Excellent. Look at this small toy. What's this? It's a car. Okay, and this toy is rabbit. Excellent. Now look here. This is a boy. And this is a purple blanket. And this is a dog. And now it's the story time. Let's look at the picture again. Here we have the boy, the dog, and the purple blanket. What is happening? The dog grips the blanket with his teeth. The boy grabs the blanket. And then the dog hangs on tightly on the blanket going Guess what will happen? For the blanket rips. It looks like a rag now. Could you guess what today's sound? Let's repeat some words to remember. Rag. Rose. Rocking horse. And car. The sound is Excellent. And now let's listen to sound song together.
See my puppy rip the rag, See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. See my puppy rip the rag, See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard.
And now let's learn how to write sound. Look here, please. Look here. We start from up, line down, up. Curve to the right. Okay, let's do it again together. Okay, look here, line down, then up, curve to the right. Excellent. And now we have finished talking about our sound. Wish you have enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to do the exercise on your book at page 11. Okay? See you